Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to place or change the profile picture on YouTube from your cell phone. Okay, let's begin. To put a profile picture on YouTube or change it, you must go to the Google Administrator. There are two ways to do it. The first is to go to your browser. Once in your browser, go to the top where the links address bars, and type myaccount.google.com, and press enter. If you find it difficult to type this URL in the video description, I leave the link. Just click on it. If for some reason it doesn't seem the same as me, or asks you to log in with your Google account and you don't remember the password, don't worry, because I'll teach you other way how to get here. Okay, go to the YouTube app. When you're on YouTube, go to the upper right corner and click on where your profile picture or the first letter of your name is. Then click on Manage your Google account. When you are here, click on Personal Info. Before continuing, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification campaign. Now click on the camera icon. Then press where it says drag a profile photo here. Here you need to allow Google Chrome to take pictures and record videos. Just click on Allow. Then here it'll show you three options: take a picture, record a video, or select a photo from your file. In my case, I will upload a photo from my gallery. When you select the photo, it will automatically load. When you've uploaded the photo, you'll need to crop it if it's necessary. Then click on Set as Profile Photo and done. Now I'm going to YouTube to show you. Done. It should be noted that in some cases, it may take hours to appear on all sites, and include days according to Google. This was all. I hope the tutorial has helped you. Don't forget click on like, comment on your experience and share this video. I upload similar videos every week, so subscribe and activate the notification campaign.